the end of the program. See, if I were the Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren Singh, I would have said, "Good evening, my dear monkeys." But being a monkey is not a problem. The problem is you being the head of those monkeys. So there is in our local dialect we call Zongla Aku. Zongku. Zongla Aku is and Biren Singh. He is the Zongku. Am I right? So henceforth, until he takes back his word, he will be the CM, but CM, Chief of Monkeys. CM stands for Chief of Monkeys. Okay, let me come to the point now. First of all, I would like to thank P. Kim Gangte, who is unfortunately cannot be with us. Actually, she is the key. She is the key for us to get entry to this hall. By virtue of her stature being an ex-MP. By virtue of her stature, we have a good discount of this hall in booking this hall. And second, I would like to thank Pa Paubul. Actually, I was personally texting him, inviting him to attend this press conference, but he couldn't turn up. He is the man who took us around this parliament for 2 consecutive days in booking this hall. And he paid for fares for that 2 consecutive days from his own pocket. So I would like to thank him. He is the PRO of Kuki in Pit Delhi as well. And coming to our speakers, Dr. Colin Gonsalves. Best introduction of Pu Gonsalves would be, he needs no introduction. At least for us. Because he is a man who has been with us through thick and thin since the outbreak of these atrocities. I should not say violence. Violence is implicit of two sides. I should say these atrocities against Kuki Zo community. So I should say that Pu Gonsalves is a Kautilya of Kuki Zo community. Because Kautilya is the statecraft builder of Ashoka, very great ancient king of India. So, in short, God willing, if we attain our political aspirations like UTV legislature, I think Pu Gonsalves deserves to be the first Chief Justice of Kukilian High Court. And actually we prefer to call you, to address you as Pu over Doctor, because this Pu is the highest form of etiquette for our community to address our elder ones or respectable